everyone, welcome to Intellify. My name is Niharika Jatak. Today we will discuss the solution of NCERT. So now we solve the question number 5 part 4. So we have to prove area of BFE is equal to area of AFT. So area of BFE is equal to area of AFT. Now what we know from the last part from the question. So we know that ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangle and D is the midpoint of DC. Now BDE and AED lie on the same base DE and are in between parallel lines DE and AB. So triangle BDE and AED. So they are on the same base DE and they are the between parallel line DE and AB. Now so area of BDE is equal to area of AED. Now subtracting area of AFD from both sides. So we subtract area of FED from the BAED and BED. So what the remaining, so remains part is BFE and AFD. So area of BDE minus area of FED is equal to area of AED minus area of FED. So we subtract now area of BFE is equal to area of AFD. So we get it. Now it is the fifth part of the question 5. So area of BFE is equal to 2 area of FED. So area of BFE is equal to 2 into area of FED. Now assume H is the height of vertex E. So corresponding to the side BD in triangle BDE. Also assume that it is the height of vertex A corresponding to the side BC in triangle ABC. So from here, so A to BC, so it is the height of H, and in triangle BDE, so H is the height of from E, vertex E to the BD. Now we already saw that area of BDE is equal to 1/4 area of ABC. So area of BDE is the half of triangle is the 1/4 ABC. So we saw that in 4 area of BFE is equal to area of AFT. So we in the part in 4 we know that area of BFE is equal to area of AFT. So area of BFE is equal to area of AFT. Now so area of BFE is equal to area FED. So hence area of BFE is equal to 2 into FED, hence it is proved. So area of BFE is equal to area of FED, 2 into FED. So it is proved.